Hello, hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and also see my screen. I'd like us to start analysis with the chart on my screen. This is Euro USD. Yesterday, you remember what we mentioned? We had a shape. So we drew a line like this. We had a line like that, and then we also drew another one from the top. So we said that this is a resistance, a resistance, a resistance. We expected the same place to be resistance, and this became a very good expanding wedge formation. So as it is right now, we are waiting for price to either continue up to this point, break above it, then continue even higher, at least up to the next target, which is this one here, or the price may break below this point, then extend to the losses. So if you're on this chart as we're speaking now, expect the price to continue upwards up to this trend line. If the price should break beyond it, then expect it to continue even higher. But if on the other side the price breaks below this point, then expect it to continue to the lower side. My next symbol is GBP USD. We have it, just a second. We'll look at the US dollar Japanese yen first of all. So we have it here. So this has been bullish. We have seen the price continue to move to the upper side. There are no signs for selling this instrument as it is now. So look at how nicely we've had a very good uptrend. You can see from this point the price went upwards, then it came down, then it went again upwards, then it came down, then it went upwards. So as we're speaking now, the price is headed to the upper side. We've actually gone above a very good resistance level, which is this one here. So it was used at this point as a resistance. It was almost being used here. The price went above it, it came back, we had a support here. So as you're speaking right now, that's a good place we want to look for a buy from. If the price should come back and touch this point, then this should give us the ideal place to look for a buy from. So you can see from the past that we've had price giving us higher lows. This is a lower low, higher low. We expect another lower low, another higher low if the price pulls back to this point and then continues upwards. So this is a very good buy. We expect more buy positions, at least up to this point here. This is the level we are looking at price at. We expect the price to continue up to around 144.810. So if you're on this chart as you're speaking now, you should be looking for more buy positions. Expect the buyers to push price upwards up to this point here, where should the price break beyond it, then we do expect it to continue even higher. So the next instrument is GBP USD. This is a very good sell. We are in a very good downtrend. You remember what I mentioned last month? I actually drew a line at this point. So I said, let me delete this first of all, just a second. So we have this level here. We have a very good support. We have a support, we have a support, and we have a support here. So as long as the price is so as I was saying, if the price does not break and close above this point, then this should give us the best place to look for a sell from. We just want to see what happens. If it pulls back and touches this point, we'll be looking for a sell position. So my next chart is the Brent oil. So with Brent oil so far, we are looking for sell positions. We do expect the sellers to push price downwards, at least up to this level here. So keep looking for sell positions up to this point on the monthly chart. We expect the same thing on the weekly chart. We're looking for a sell position at least up to these two lines here. So if you're on this chart, you're interested in a trade, you should be looking for sell positions up to these two lines. The line at the top is 85.327. The one at the bottom is 82.761. My next chart is the SP500. So this is a buy. We are looking for buy positions. For some reasons, the price keeps pulling back despite our forecast that the price is going to continue upwards. So the pullback, this candle here is actually an indication that we may see a correction at least up to this point, which is 3704.3. So expect a correction up to this point where we look for a buy position. Our stop loss is fixed below the low of this candle. Then our take profit should be at this point here. So that's it for that chart. The next chart is gold. On gold so far, this is the level we are looking at. We're looking at this support level. We actually don't expect the current month's candle to close below this line, which is 1707.47. As long as the price does not clearly descend and close below this line here, that should give us the best place to look for a buy from. So we just want to see whatever happens. If the price remains above that point, above this line, then that will give us the best place to look for a buy from. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We are going to meet again on Monday at the same time. Thank you and see you.